So today's topic is factors. So what is factor? So suppose if I have a number 16, ठीक है. So कोई भी नंबर जो इसको completely divide कर दे वो इसका factor कहलाएगा. For an example, if I check 2, okay, is a factor? Yes or no? Let's see. So 16 अगर हम 2 से divide करते हैं, ठीक है, तो 2 8s are 16. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाए तो हम कहेंगे yes, it's a divisible. 16 is divisible by 2, and then in this case 2 will be the factors. What about 3? Let's check if it is a factor or not. Okay, so you put a 3 here and 16 here, and 3 5s are 15, and you get 1 as a remainder. Sorry, this is not a factor because we should get remainder 0. So this is this answer. Okay, so what if 4? Check if it is a factor or it's not. Let's see. 4 divided by 16, 4 4s are 16. 0, yes, it is a factor. So factor is any number which can divide the given number. Okay, so if I say, and most important thing, if I have number like 16, we just check only half number. Suppose half is 8, so हम check करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, not more than its half number. Okay, so if I have any number, for example 25, and I want to check its factor, so we have to find all the numbers which can divide 25. अगर हम 25 को फैक्टर्स निकालना चाहते हैं और हम किसी नंबर को उसका फैक्टर बोलते हैं तो वो नंबर 25 को डिवाइड करना चाहिए. फॉर एन एग्जांपल इफ़ आई से 5 इज़ अ फैक्टर, सो अगर आप 5 को 25 को डिवाइड करें तो होना चाहिए 5 5 जा 25. सो दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ फैक्टर्स. ओके.